Hey guys, what is going on? It's Dr. Linz, and today we're bringing you another review to look fabulous while you're getting your workout on, right? That's what we're here for. Okay, or athleisure, whatever tickles your fancy. Before I get into it, I do have everything linked up below. When you shop directly from those links, it does help support me. Shoot me an email when you do order and I'll enter you into my raffle and also help you along with anything that you need. So let's jump into it. I have the first outfit on by Phorm. Phorm launched their new Catalyst collection. So that's what I have on here in red. The first outfit, I'm reviewing two outfits here. So I worked out in this outfit actually today. So I'm giving you a true test here with how I like this. So we're gonna start with the bottoms. We're gonna start with the leggings, or the shorts here. These are their training shorts. Now, my first reaction when I put them on and I felt them, they are very soft, they're very smooth, they're very athletic feeling, and I like this feeling of athletic wear when I'm getting in a workout. So I really like that. They have pockets, which I thought were super cool. They are short, as you can tell here, which I'm used to now more of the longer biker short. My Lululemons are a little bit longer as well than these. So these remind me of my CrossFit shorts that I used to wear all the time. And then as far as where this hits, as far as the high waist goes or medium waist hit, I'd say this is probably about a medium waist. I like how it V's in right here. But I typically like my band to come, here's my belly button. I like my band to come up a little bit higher typically. And lastly, everything I'm wearing is a size medium. Okay, one thing during the workout, which comes with shorter shorts for me, is that when I was squatting and I was doing mountain climbers or burpees, the shorts rolled up like this, okay? The shorts rolled up. I'm going to show you. They rolled up like this. They rolled up like that. They rolled up like this. And so then when I was done with my set, I had to pull them down. Now for me, with shorter shorts like this, it's pretty standard. I'm used to doing that. I'm used to pulling them down like that. So that was a big con for me, just because it does get annoying when they're riding up like this. It doesn't feel the best. So, but to me, that's a given when you're getting shorter spandex shorts like that. So that is probably the biggest con about them. Otherwise, I like them. They're nice. But like I said, I prefer to have them a little bit longer nowadays for me. Okay, next up, we're going to go over the bra. This bra is also a size medium. Everything is a size medium that I will be showing you. I am a 34D, so it is hard for me to find sports bras that I like. It's hard for me to find something that covers me up and I don't get that side boob action. And I actually have this Solstice bra in a dark blue, and this is their 2.0. I can tell it's a little bit different. It's a little bit softer. The band down here is a little bit thicker, and I really enjoy this. I do like this bra. I like this bra. I feel comfortable enough wearing it to work out. It's not like a she-fit bra where it locks you in, but it is supportive to where I feel comfortable doing some jumping moves in a circuit. So the reason why I like this bra is the thicker straps. I like this cut, how it kind of comes straight across. I think that's flattering on a bigger chest. The side boob covers up, and then the back crisscrosses here. And I feel that that is going to provide more support. So I'll show you the back one more time. Back, side, and front. So I do really like this bra. I will wear this often. The shorts, like I said, they're okay, but they roll up, and that was my biggest con. Okay, we're gonna move on to outfit 2 and give you that review. All right, guys, we got outfit 2 on. We have the Venture leggings and the Wavelength bra. I'm going to explain the pros and cons to each of these. So the leggings here, I'm used to having to pull these up just slightly. I'm 5'4" to hit me right in the ankle, but it's not a big deal for me. They don't scrunch up too much, as you can see here. Some things that I do enjoy about these leggings, again, size medium. I love that they have pockets right here. They are buttery smooth, and I really like the V in the back. I always like that. Accentuates the glutes for you. And then also with these, so far they fit well. They fit well in the waist, they fit well in the legs. They're not squeezing me too tight. Now, sometimes when leggings are really silky smooth, they can start to fall down a little bit when you're working out. So that might be something I'd be, cognizant of. And then the band compared to the shorts that I tried on, where this hits my hips, I'm more comfortable with this. Here's my belly button, and the band comes like right here. So I do like that. I feel like they're a little bit higher waisted, but not like mega higher waisted. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the wavelength bra, which I am very surprised. When I show you the back, you'll understand how well this bra does fit me. So it is ribbed. You can't tell too much on the website, and if you're looking at this video, you can't tell too much. It is ribbed, which I like. I like the thicker band at the bottom. It's kind of like a crop in a way, which I will be wearing this to the beach. If you go to the lake or on a river or whatever, I think this is being really nice to wear outdoors. And let me move my hair, and you can see the nice detail of the straps. It is a thinner strap, and whenever I see thinner straps, I kind of freak out because I have a larger chest. But as you can see, it does hold me up, which I really like and I feel comfortable in. It also covers my side boob here, guys. That is amazing. Hello, love that. And then I love the back detailing, which is very pretty. I think you can get a lot of good sun on your back with this bra. Make sure you wear sunscreen. But I really do like the features of the detail on the back there. For me, however, doing a high intensity jumping workout is not going to be good for me in this bra. So that's why I will be wearing this around, running errands, having a tank that shows the back, going to the beach, things like that, but not necessarily doing a circuit workout because I am larger chested. So overall, I do like these pieces. Each of them have their pros and cons to them. Just like with anything else. If you guys do have any questions, let me know. And again, I'll have this linked up so you can go ahead and check it out. All right, until next time, we'll talk to you later.